Hello YouTube viewers. Today I got some racing propellers. So these are for one company called T-Motor, and these are 5 pairs of T-Motor propellers, but these are 5150. So higher pitch than these. So these are much heavier propellers than first that I've tested, Gem fans. A little bit harder in the start, but it has a linear response to throttle, so you have a really nice throttle control, and these propellers are very aggressive. So these are actually designed for FPV racing, and only for that, not for freestyle, and prepare that these propellers will draw more current than the lighter ones. But these propellers are definitely just for the racing. If you need more power, more aggressive throttle control, these are really good for racing. Testing was done on 2450 kV motors, and the battery was quite hot after the flight, so prepare that these propellers draw a lot of current because they are thicker, they are harder, and they are more, how to say, they're heavier than Gem fans I've tested before. Okay, enjoy the rest of the flight and see you next time.